Hello guys, welcome to this session. Today we are going to discuss 40 plus MCQs in Indian economy. These questions are from the chapter that is agriculture and allied sector, and this will be the second part of this topic, so you have to watch the complete session guys. And if anyone is visiting the channel for the first time, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So let us start our session with the first question. The question is the price at which the government purchases food grains for maintaining the public distribution system and creating stock is known as. A option is minimum support price, B option is procurement price, C option is market price, and D option is maximum ceiling price. So right answer is option B, that is procurement price. Next question is which of the following methods of agriculture is helpful in environment protection? A option is cultivation of high yield varieties, B option is growing plants in glass houses, C option is shifting cultivation, and D option is organic farming. So right answer is option D, that is organic farming. Next question is the international financial agency that nurtures the National Agriculture Technique Project in India is. A option is Food and Agriculture Organization, B option is World Bank, C option is Asian Bank, and D option is United National Development Bank. So right answer is option B, that is World Bank. And where is the headquarters of World Bank located? So it is in Washington DC in USA. Next question is which of the following agricultural produce earns the maximum foreign exchange for the country from its exports? A option is coffee, B is basmati rice, C option is raw cotton, and D option is tea. So right answer is option D, that is tea. Next question is seasonal crop insurance scheme first implemented in. A option is Haryana, B is Karnataka, C option is Punjab, and D option is Tamil Nadu. So right answer is option B, that is Karnataka. Next question is Commission on Agriculture Cost and Prices was set up in the year. A option is 1955, B is 1965, C option is 1970, and D option is 1973. So right answer is option B, that is 1965. Next question is the main head of import of agriculture cost in India is. A option is pulses, B is coffee, C option is sugar, and D option is edible oil. So right answer is option D, that is edible oil. Next question is in which year did the Agriculture and Cooperative Department of the Government of India start the RAN-fed Area Development Program? A option is 2008 to 2009, B option is 2009 to 2010, C option is 2010 to 2011, and last option is 2011 to 2012. So right answer is option D, that is 2011 to 2012. Next question is National Special Agriculture Produce Scheme is mainly related to. A option is cash crop, B is food grains, C option is vegetables, and D option is exportable agricultural produce. So right answer is option D, that is exportable agricultural produce. Next question is Haryali scheme is related to. A option is crop management, B is soil management, C option is water management, and D option is forest management. So right answer is option C, that is water management. Next question is the Kisan Credit Card Scheme was introduced in which year? A option is 2004 to 2005, B is 2000 to 2001, C option is 1998 to 1999, and D option is 1995 to 96. So right answer is option C, that is 1998 to 99. Kisan Credit Scheme was introduced in India. Next question is consider the following statements regarding the Kisan Credit Card Scheme. First statement is Kisan Credit Card Scheme was started in the year 2001. Second is this scheme provides adequate and timely credit support to the farmers for their agriculture needs. So right answer is option B, that is only 2. हमने प्रीवियस ही किया फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज द रॉन्ग वन बिकॉज जो किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड स्कीम थी उसको इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था इन द ईयर 1998 टू 1999 राइट. Next question is in which of the following years was the National Land Record Modernization Program started? A option is 2008, B is 2009, C option is 2010, and D option is 2011. So right answer is option A, that is 2008. Next question is the significance of agriculture in Indian economy is known from its following contribution. A option is national income and employment, B is industrial development and international trade, C option is food grain supply, and D option is all of the above. So right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Next question is consider the following statements. First statement is the Commission for Agriculture Cost and Prices recommends the minimum support prices for 32 crops. And second statement is the Union Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution has launched the National Food Security Mission. You have to choose the correct one statement. So right answer is option D, that is both these statements are incorrect. So let me see, जो कमीशन फॉर एग्रीकल्चर कॉस्ट एंड प्राइस है वो रिकमेंड करता है मिनिमम सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ ओनली 22 क्रॉप्स, राइट। एंड नेशनल फूड सिक्योरिटी मिशन को लॉन्च किया गया था इन अक्टूबर 2007 में एंड इट्स कंपोनेंट आर राइस, व्हीट एंड पल्सेस एंड दिस स्कीम्स कम अंडर द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड फार्मर वेलफेयर. इट मीन्स दिस scheme was launched by the Agriculture and Farmer Welfare Ministry, right? Next question is use of iron plow in place of wooden plow is an example of. A option is labor generating technological progress, B is capital increasing technological process, C option is capital saving technological progress, and D option is none of the above. So right answer is option B, that is capital increasing technological progress. Next question is the main crop seasons of India are. A option is Kharif, Winter, Spring. B is Kharif and Rabi. C option is Kharif, Rabi and Jaib. And D option is Rabi and Jaib. So right answer is option C, that is Kharif, Rabi and Jaib. Next question is the period between July and October, November in Indian agriculture is called. A option is Kharif season, B is Jaib season, and C option is Rabi season, and D option is none of these. So right answer is option C, that is Kharif season. जो Kharif crops हैं, these are sown in the month July and harvested in the month October or November, right? तो हम देख लेते हैं. So what are the example of Kharif crops? Kharif crops को और क्या कहा जाता है? So these are also called as monsoon crops. जो एग्जाम्पल है खरीफ क्रॉप्स के जो मोस्टली एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं वो है राइस, मेज, मिलेट्स, सोयाबीन, ग्राउंडनट एंड कॉटन, राइट. फिर देखिए नेक्स्ट वन इज द राबी क्रॉप्स. राबी क्रॉप्स को सोन किया जाता है इन विंटर एंड दीज आर हार्वेस्टेड इन स्प्रिंग सीजन, स्प्रिंग और समर, दैट इज इन द मंथ अप्रैल एंड जून, राइट. एंड व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ राबी क्रॉप्स? सो व्हीट, बार्ले, मस्टर्ड, चिकपी, लाइन सीड्स एटसेट्रा, दीज ऑल आर द राबी क्रॉप्स, राइट. फर्दर इज द जेड क्रॉप्स. सो जेड क्रॉप्स को समर क्रॉप्स भी कहा जाता है एंड दीज आर सोन एंड हार्वेस्टेड इन द मंथ दैट इज मार्च टू मई. And the example of jade crops are cucumber, muskmelon, watermelon, bitter gourd and pumpkin. जितने भी जो भी वेजिटेबल्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वाइन्स रहती हैं वो आती हैं जेड क्रॉप्स के अंडर, राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच टाइप ऑफ केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर इज मोस्ट यूज्ड इन इंडिया? ए ऑप्शन इज फॉस्फेटिक, बी इज पोटाशिक, सी ऑप्शन इज नाइट्रोजनस एंड डी ऑप्शन इज नन ऑफ दिस. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज नाइट्रोजनस. Next question is the first agriculture university of India was. A option is Pantnagar, B is Ludhiana, C option is Jabalpur and D option is Kanpur. So right answer is option A, that is Pantnagar, which is in Telangana, right? इसको हम first part में भी cover up कर चुके हैं. Next question is where is the National Agriculture Marketing Institute situated? A option is Jaipur, B is Chandigarh, C option is New Delhi and D option is none of these. So right answer is option A, that is Jaipur. National Agriculture Marketing Institute is situated at Jaipur in Rajasthan. Next question is where is the headquarter of Food and Agriculture Organization situated? A option is Paris, B is Rome, C option is Geneva and D option is Washington. So right answer is option B, that is Rome in Italy. Food and Agriculture Organization headquarters situated. Next question is where is the National Academy of Agriculture Management is situated? A option is Hyderabad, B is Dehradun, C option is Shimla and D option is Bareilly. So right answer is option A, that is Hyderabad. Next question is Central Food Technology Research Institute is situated in. A option is Bengaluru, B is Missouri, C option is Chennai and D option is Hyderabad. So right answer is option B, that is Mysore. Next question is which state of India is the leading milk producer? A option is Haryana, B is Rajasthan, C option is Punjab and D option is Uttar Pradesh. So right answer is option B, that is Rajasthan. And after Rajasthan, second number पे जो state है वो है उत्तर प्रदेश. Next question is which state has maximum per capita availability of milk? A option is Punjab, B is Rajasthan, C is Haryana and D option is Uttar Pradesh. So right answer is option A, that is Punjab. Next question is when was the National Farmers Commission formed? A option is April 2004, B is November 2004, C option is January 2002 and D option is January 2005. So right answer is option B, that is National Farmers Commission formed in the year November 2004. Next question is Indian Grassland and Fodder Research Institute is situated in A option is Lucknow, B is Ranchi, C option is Jhansi, and D option is Patna. So right answer is option C, that is Jhansi in Uttar Pradesh. Next question is food grain chain revolution is related to A option is protection of food grains, vegetables and fruits from putrefying, B is agriculture exports, C option is food grain production, and D option is none of these. So right answer is option A, that is protection of food grains, vegetables and fruits from putrefying. Next question is what is vegetable production called? A option is vermiculture, B is viticulture, C option is olericulture, and D option is none of these. So right answer is option C, that is vegetable production को कहा जाता है olericulture. Next question is where is the largest sandalwood forest found in India? A option is the hills of Assam, B is the hills of Satpura, C option is the hills of Shivalik, and D option is the hills of Nilgiri. So right answer is option D, that is the hills of Nilgiri में पाए जाते हैं sandalwood के forest. And where are these Nilgiri hills located? So these are located along the states of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka. Right? Next question is which is the apex body in the rural credit system? A option is the State Bank of India, B is Reserve Bank of India, C option is NABARD, and D option is Central Cooperative Bank. So right answer is option C, that is NABARD. और NABARD से आपको याद रखना है कि इसका एस्टेब्लिशमेंट हुई थी ऑन 12 जुलाई 1982. दिस पॉइंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इसको मोस्टली एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है. एंड वेयर इज द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ NABARD लोकेटेड? सो इट इज इन लखनऊ. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज Monsanto? First option is an agriculture research company, B is a variety of cotton, C is an agriculture marketing company, and D is none of these. So this is Monsanto is an agriculture research company which is a USA based company, right? Next question is when was the lead banking scheme started in India? A option is 1960, B is 1966, C option is 1969, and D option is 1970. So right answer is option C, that is 1969. Next question is where is the National Fisheries Development Board situated? A option is Cochin, B is Bhavnagar, C option is Hyderabad, and D option is Kolkata. So right answer is option C, that is Hyderabad. Next question is how has the new agriculture policy been described? A option is Golden Revolution, B is Silver Revolution, C option is Rainbow Revolution, and D option is none of these. So right answer is option C, that is Rainbow Revolution. Next question is the largest percentage of land under Jhum cultivation is found in? A option is Manipur, B is Nagaland, C is Chhattisgarh, and D option is Odisha. So right answer is option A, that is Manipur. Next question is where is the National Biofertilizer Development Center situated? A option is Delhi, B is Ghaziabad, C option is Hisar, and D option is Karnal. So right answer is option B, that is Ghaziabad. Next question is when were the Kisan Call Center and Kisan Krishi Channel inaugurated? A option is January 2002, B is January 2004, C option is April 2003, and D option is March 2005. So right answer is option B, that is January 2004. So that's it for today guys. I hope that you love the session. Please give a one thumbs up to video. We will meet soon in the next session. Till then bye bye and take care.